In this video, we will learn how to convert text to vector and create a standing t-shirt design using the Generate Vector tool. Go to the menu bar, click on the Object menu, click on Generate Vector, click on Subject, write about your design in the promote box. Click on the Generate button. You can see that a standing vector design has been generated in a short time. Then go to the variation from the properties. Select any design you want. Let's generate some more design for the t-shirt. Now we will create a mockup t-shirt design. Type white t-shirt mockup. You can see that a nice t-shirt mockup has been generated. Thanks for watching the video.